Hey guys, what is up? It's Isabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make what I call fidget spinner slime. It's not actually made out of fidget spinners, obviously, but I found these cool beads at the craft store that reminded me like exactly of the shape of a fidget spinner, so I thought I would call this fidget spinner crunchy slime. So first I'm going to be taking about half of a cup of clear glue. So I'm just going to put that into my bowl, and then I'm going to take my borax solution, which is about a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of borax. So then I'm going to pour a little bit of borax solution into my clear glue. I'm not going to color it with any kind of food coloring. This is just going to be somewhat clear slime, not perfectly clear, but somewhat. So I'm just going to keep adding some borax solution until it gets to a slime texture. And then I'm going to use my hands and knead it until it gets into a good slime consistency. So then I'm going to be taking my beads and then I'm going to put them in to the slime by kneading them in until they're nice and in there. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and let me know in the comments below what other videos you guys want me to do. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!